Hey everyone, in today's video I want to show you how to change the charging notification on your iPhone when you put it on charge. At the moment the default sound is a chime. So let's open up your shortcut app which comes pre-installed with your iPhone running iOS 14. Then tap on the automation at the bottom center of the screen. Then tap on Create Personal Automation. Scroll down and tap on Charger. Make sure the option is connected is selected and then hit next at the top right. Then tap on Add Action. In the search bar, search for Speak. Scroll down and find Speak Text. Select it. Now type what you want your iPhone to speak when iPhone starts to charge. I'll type in charging. Tap on Show More and here you can change the rate of speech, the pitch, the language and the voice. Once you're happy with your selection, tap Next. Then in the next screen, make sure Ask Before Running is not enabled. Then select Don't Ask. Finally, press the Done at the top right of the screen. Make sure your volume is set to the max and make sure your silent mode is disabled. Connect your charger and your iPhone will then give you a notification that it is charging. And there you go guys, that is how to change your charging notification on your iPhone when you put it on charge. Hope you guys found this useful. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.